Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a delicious Githeri meal step by step from preparing the maize and beans all the way to the final tasty dish. The kids also joined in to help remove maize kernels from the cobs. Let's get into it. Started by removing maize kernels from the cobs. This was fun moment with the kids helping out.
I feel you're busy.
I'm taking a video.
Removing the maize from the cobs. This is how it looked. Sorted through the beans to remove any bad ones and give them a good wash. The clean beans in a pot and added 1 spoon of baking powder to remove all gases. Covered the pot and waited for 1 hour. After sauteing the beans for 1 hour, I opened and drained all the water from the beans. I washed the beans again.
Yes. You will fall. You want to fall? Then wait for me to come. Don't cry and come. My dress.
Cleaning my beans, I also washed my maize twice. Then I mixed both into a pressure cooker to boil. Added water in it. put the pressure cooker into a socket to start boiling my maize and beans. Using a pressure cooker, I boiled the beans and maize mixture for about 50 minutes until they were soft and ready for the next step. This is how it looked after boiling. These are my ingredients I'm going to use in this process. I started by peeling my potatoes, then I washed them twice to make sure that they are clean. After peeling the potatoes, I started chopping my ingredients, starting from green peppers, placed potatoes in a cooking pot. added right amount of water. The pot to start boiling it or steaming it for 10 minutes. Steaming my potatoes, I removed it from water and placed it aside to wait for the frying process. Boiling the potatoes, I fried potatoes with onions and tomatoes. I seasoned them with curry powder and Royco to build a rich and flavorful base. Cooking the onions, I added my potato in mix. Added my tomatoes and stir. Stirring well, I covered the pot to let it simmer. Open the pot and season them with curry powder and Royco to build a rich and flavorful base. Stirring well, I covered the pot for some few minutes. I stirred again. I opened the pot and added the boiled maize and beans into the fried potatoes mixture. I mixed everything together gently. After adding in maize and beans, I added in green pepper. Then I covered the pot. Opened the pot. I stirred a bit very well to mix the green pepper into the food. Water to bring it all together without making it too soupy. To finish, I added in fresh onion leaves for extra taste and color. Is the final result of delicious githeri with a twist. Soft potatoes, perfectly boiled beans and maize full of flavor accompanied by fluffy rice. After githeri getting ready, I started the process of making my rice. I started by sauteing the rice in order to remove all impurities and dirt. I placed the cooking pot over the fire and added cooking oil in it. Cooking oil getting ready, I added in my rice in a cooking pot, having oil. I stir a bit and for a while. After I added in salt, then 2.5 cups of water. Left it to boil for 15 minutes. Our rice is ready. Then I had to mix or stir the rice with a fork so that it can become one by one on thread. As you can see, I'm stirring.
Yes? You want your food?
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumb up, leave a comment and subscribe for more recipe and daily cooking from home. Let me know how you make your githeri in your home too. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, please.
What are you going to buy? Soda. Get the carrier bag.